Hey photo friend, Phil Ebener here, and today I'm super excited because we just launched our new photo composition course. It's the perfect course if you're a brand new photographer and you are struggling to find ways to make your photos look better, look more like the photos you might see online, on Instagram, the photos that you see from other photographers and you say, wow, how do they capture a photo that looks so good? So I'm gonna pass this over to JP and Lydia, the lead instructors of this class, who are amazing photographers and photo teachers, to talk a little bit more about what you get with this class.
This class is all about composition, from the most basic techniques to more advanced techniques that any photographer can use, photographers of all skill levels. Whether you're someone really just starting out with either a phone camera or with a more standard camera, or even professional photographers might find use in the compositional techniques that we're covering to take your photography to the next level. We'll also be providing you with downloadable cheat sheets for you to reference as you take this class and afterwards.
Throughout the entire course, you'll be able to pause and play and rewatch any segment that you want to watch over again. And as you go through the entire course, you can always send us questions through the course dashboard. We'll get right back to you with our answers and feedback. And you can feel free to send us pictures that you're taking along the way so that we can give you creative feedback.
What we do with all of our classes is we avoid complicated photography lingo and we break everything down into easily understandable ways of explaining each of the concepts. The second reason I want to mention why this class is so amazing is because we have been given permission by Ellie Wildhagen, a phenomenally talented photographer, to use her images in this course. She is extraordinarily gifted at utilizing all of the compositional techniques that we're going to be covering in this class, and the contribution of her images makes this class really stellar.
All right, I hope this gives you a little bit better idea for what is included in this class. As always, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try out the course, see if it's right for you, see if you're learning new things, take part in the activities, the demonstrations, download the cheat sheets and guides, and just test it out. We would love to have you in class. Thanks so much, and I'll include all the information on how to enroll down in the description. Cheers.